Finally got a new camera. Man, this thing's pretty nice. Wonder how you work it. On. Oh, I think it's recording. Man, way better than this thing. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Packwood Performance 4x4, and I hope y'all are having a good day. Today we are working on the Duramax, and we have got some LED lights. We have got a LED third brake light. We have a couple of LED license plate lights, and we've got LED reverse lights and some interior lights. So first we're going to start with the third brake light. As you can see, I have the factory one. It's starting to get pretty old looking. It's got water inside of it. The seal's bad. In fact, if we come around here and look on the inside, you can see there are some stains from it leaking. I'm going to try to put a stop to that by putting a new third brake light in, but not only a new one, but I wanted to go with a clear LED one to kind of match the tail lights, even though I want to get new tail lights, but still that way it matches, looks a little bit better. So we've got our gasket, and it came with two little ones to put inside of the screw holes, I guess to keep water out. Sorry about the wind. It has been crazy windy all morning. We had a storm come through last night. Alright. So here you can see them side by side and see the difference. Gosh dang bird crap. Tell you what, I'm gonna cut down this tree. To remove the old one, it's just a Phillips head screwdriver. So we'll get that taken out. I won't be using a drill to put them back in because it'll probably crack it. Just using it to take it out. Got one plug. I'm going to take a little cleaner and clean the dirt off of this. Alright, that's not perfect, but it's good enough to where I think the seal will stick good. Now we're going to pull the 3M sticker off. And plug the one plug back in. Don't put it on upside down like I just about did. I'm going to put the screws in the holes so I know they're going to line up and it doesn't stick crooked. Man, this wind is terrible. All right, now I'm going to hand tighten it the rest of the way so we don't crack the lens. All right, now to test it and see if it works. I probably should have done that before I put it on. Okay, and next we're going to install the license plate lights. On these lights, there is a clip on this side. Usually you can just pull back and it will pop loose. You can see how the clip is on the inside. This is where you push back on this side. You can, if you have to, you can get in there with a flathead screwdriver. But I had already pulled these apart before. Take the bulb out. On the new ones, you can see that there is a plug that will plug in just like a light bulb. And then it will snap into the cap as if there is a light bulb in there. Putting this side first, just push it back in. That fits a little loose. Since it's loose, I'm going to pop it back off. And this side that goes in first, I'm actually going to put a piece of foam that came from the third brake light right in that little section. That way it fits a lot tighter. I'll go turn on the lights and we'll test it out. That is a lot brighter. You can see here is the factory original one, how yellow and dull and dingy it is, and then the new one. So I'll go ahead and get the second one installed. And there they are. Much nicer looking, clean. Now this bag of LED lights I ordered for basically the reverse lights. It came with LED reverse lights, but it also came with all LEDs for the interior. So we'll go ahead and get these tail lights out and then we'll get these put in. Once again, this is just Phillips head screwdriver, or Phillips head screws. These little rubber mounts just fit in there snug, so you gotta pull it and pop it loose. And holy cow, look at the dirt inside of there. Man, I'm surprised these even work. So the bottom one here is going to be your reverse bulb. And this is what our LED bulb looks like. Should plug in just the same. Sometimes you might have to turn them around. And we'll go ahead and test it now. Alright, it seems to work, and that is super bright. Go ahead and this one back in. Now tighten them back up with your Phillips head. Now let's take a look at what they all look like on. Well, I don't know how well you guys could see that in the daytime, plus it's starting to get bright out, but I think that looks way better. I'll try to go ahead and get a shot at night to see the difference. Now I'm going to try to install the rest of these interior lights. I didn't even realize, but every single one of these is labeled. I just installed the license plate lights, so I don't need that bulb. And then I installed the third brake light, so I don't need cargo light LEDs either. So the only two I guess I have are the map light and the mirror lights. Oh, much better. All right, that seems better. Now I'll go ahead and do the other side and the back light, and then I'll show you everything when it's done. So we got the map light, the back dome light, both mirror lights, and I got to thinking, I have extra cab lights that were for this, but I put a new third brake light, and I had extra license plate lights because I ended up using those other ones that I bought that have the whole plastic piece. And I got to thinking, I wonder if those would work in the Infiniti, and well, they did, as you can see here. Find out the license plate LED lights that came in the package, I didn't need those, but they work perfect in the Infiniti, and the cargo lights that I didn't need also worked as reverse lights in the Infiniti. So now the Infiniti has LED lights. So I think that'll do it for today. Seems like everything works good. If you need any of these products that I bought and installed today, I'll post them in the description below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hope everybody has a great evening, and come back and see what happens next time.